Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to remove phone number from Discord. So guys, to do this process, of course, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and go to your Discord and make sure to sign in into your account. And now, once you are here on the Discord, you could just simply go ahead and select the gear icon over here or the user settings on your profile. So go ahead and click on that. And from here right away, you will have your My Account. So you are on the My Account tab and make sure you are on the security. And from here, as you can see, you will have the phone number. And now you will have an option over here, remove, in order for you to proceed with the removal of the number. So go ahead and select remove over here. And after that, just simply provide your password over here in order for you to save the changes. And once you have provided the password, select remove. And from here, you should be able to have your number removed from your Discord. As you can see, my number is no longer on the Discord. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.